Hey everyone, in this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods in Webflow, so your customers can check out smoothly and securely. To get started, make sure eCommerce is enabled in your Webflow project. Open your dashboard, choose the project you want to work on, and make sure you're on an eCommerce plan, Standard, Plus, or Advanced. Payments won't work on the basic site plans, so upgrade if needed. Once you're on an eCommerce plan, go into your project settings. Open the eCommerce section and enable it. From there, you can start adding products with their prices, descriptions, and images. Before payments work, you need to choose which payment providers you want to use. Webflow supports Stripe and PayPal. Stripe is perfect if you want to accept global credit card payments, multiple currencies, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. PayPal is great if your customers prefer checking out without entering card details. And it works especially well in regions where PayPal is already trusted. You can use both at the same time so customers can choose what they prefer. Next, connect your payment accounts inside Webflow. Open your project settings, go to eCommerce and then Payments. For Stripe, click Connect Stripe, log into your Stripe account and authorize it. Webflow will link everything automatically. For PayPal, scroll down and choose Connect PayPal. Log into your PayPal business account. Personal accounts won't work, and give Webflow permission to process payments. After that, configure your store's currency and checkout features. Choose your main store currency in the payments section, and if you're using Stripe, you can also activate Apple Pay and Google Pay for faster checkout. Just make sure your Webflow site uses SSL so these payment options work properly. Next, set up taxes and shipping rules. Go to the Taxes tab to configure your region's tax requirements, and then open the Shipping tab to create zones and shipping rates. Adjust them based on where you ship, how much you charge, and what methods you offer. This helps keep your margins healthy and avoid surprises at checkout. Finally, customize your checkout page in the Webflow designer. Try to match the styling of your brand, colors, fonts, logos, and make the form as clean and simple as possible. Add clear labels and short instructions so customers know exactly what information they need to enter. A smooth checkout page can seriously improve conversions, and once everything is connected, configured, and customized, publish your site and your payment methods will be live. If this helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you want more Webflow tutorials, and subscribe so you never miss the next video.